Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, say the one and only attacking boss is here in a NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I me say attack. Some viewers and subscribers, boy, me I tell you, say today I know, my people, on the Thursday of November the 17th, 2022, at the time of doing this video, I say at the time of uploading. Saying because a lot of time people see when I put out some video and them hear the date. That's why I always start the date them most time when me I upload my video. Them so they know, say, look at the man, you know, see video upload tomorrow or the other day, but this is the day when me I record the video. You get what I'm saying? So today, recording the video, which is Thursday, November the 17th, 2022, my people. Why? I see my phone ringing up. Everybody ringing up. I saw messages. Attacking boss comes up. Boom! Read message, people. When me check out on here, boy, go on, them I say NEWLINK. You know, say Dodos send out video. Me say Dodos. Wish Dodos that I can't work from Donati Valley. And them say NEWLINK, Dodos, the real one. So I stay say boom now, my people. So send on video. Video sent from different people. Check out video. So I'm man in a prison, yes. Sure enough, some lifestyle like him I live good in a prison. And like him I live nice. He don't look good, yes, me not life. He say prison him there. He look good. You see me? Look good. See? But people, on a real level, that they look at that man there when he am not near the others unless him do one plastic surgery. Me say not even plastic. Unless him do one plastic surgery, my people, if make him look so. Because that the man no look nothing close to the others. Eh? So anybody who has said that is Dodos, so no lie. Stop telling people them lie. Lie! And I don't stop my people. So the attacking boss, I'm after me. I go investigate because really and truly I don't know it is who you know my people. So I do some checks and investigation and them say NEWLINK based on different checks some do my people. Them say attacking boss. You know how that? Them say that man the him name Major. Say Major. Them say yes NEWLINK him name Major. And him is from Spanglers. And him is a top man. You understand? But him and others. Some viewers and subscribers say anybody who having them head and brain cell with this video will go viral and go viral out there. And them say, no, I don't know. The man name Major, my people. Well, I'm not Jamaica that him there, no. Not Jamaica this. This look like a, boy, I didn't even know exactly, but this more that look like a Canada. I mean, I think American in could have did myself. This more look like Canada to me or somewhere else. But this is definitely not Jamaica, my people. But I want to make you say, because I see comments on that something upon different pages, you know, you understand? And people have all type of comment to see about. Yeah, me I go make you see video, man. Me I go make, but me have to alter certain things because there's a music playing in that video. And me no want to get the copyright feed, so me have to change up the audio, whatever, if I turn it in a picnic or something, but I gonna change it up, because if me play the music there, copyright this, and me no want to them something there. But when me I say now, my people, Zane, in there look really, yes, me not like clean, nice, him neat up him thing, the music in there, look at TV did there, so, you understand him have him look at brown stew, chicken pan, look at something there, so, you know what I mean, him have him look at CD them up there, so, him have all type of something, he had shine to rotted me, I wonder where I do with ear light still, I don't know where I do with ear light, ear aisle in there, and he had shine, so that must, me no know, but me I say, me no know, but he have all type of same thing in there, look neat, look nice. But one thing me can say for anybody who think and I say, yo, what? This is the prison me out. You want God a prison there? Someone can show one big fat batty girl in there. Yeah? What me can show one nice, sexy, not even say nice, sexy, why can show one catty then? Why? No life no sweet for no man in them prime same way because him still can't choke strokes and still can't ram up and jam up. See? So no life no did this the same way. Because not until he could have shown me and say, look, you know, see me be here right beside me. Then me can say, yes, a part of life I live. But that's not a life. Then that's still it no life. Because if him can present and show, say, look at me have a cat here calling me. Even though him say, him have part this and part that and part check and part too much I come look out. But people, one thing me can say, this ain't no life for me. I mean I want to be in that situation. Never am I there in my life. Me no want to be part of that. Then me want to be a road When me can have my free time and me can link up and, you know what I mean, and me can take come and kiss me and she give it to me. Nice and easy and sweet. Yes, this is life. So any young youth out there who pray say badness in name, and pray say, yeah, look here, sell black with my brother, the nice of this one go. Make him share the catty. And even if him share the catty, still ain't no life, bro. You understand? Because you're chopping at one look of place, looking there, so. Eh? All me look at dark seller be gone in there. So what is life like that? Me understand, say maybe get couple years, say, to make himself comfortable, which is good. You understand? And my face look and obey, believe me, I stress, I mean, I stress. But on a real level, my people, that life. Eh? This is not life. So, Mr. Major, without the mackerel or sardine, all me can say to you is, look at the man. Me understand you want to showcase the people them say you're not stressing your family them. But this not showcase the youth them no betterment in a Major. You understand? You should have do something and tell the youth them, so look at the man, me have to make myself comfortable youth on enough to put myself in a situation like this. Because look at me, used to be a road and me used to be a top man. Me used to have bang this and a bang this off catty all over the crease of corner. And me used to have a big chain them around my neck and I live the lavish life. But see how me there now, me in a one place a worse than one NEWLINK salon, worse than one Fort Cub. See how me feature up in there now, but me have to make myself comfortable. Tell the youth them that. Motivate the youth them until they say, look, you not get yourself in trouble in a wrongdoing. You understand? Do the right thing. You get me? I say, but this my people, anybody who believes, as me say it again over and over and over. Anybody who believes that this is life, no life that did this. So, you the attacking boss say, me said no life that did this, some people. There's no life like a freedom a road. There's nothing like it. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Oh my burl, oh my precious NEWLINK. Eh? Look how life sweet. Watch out while doing this vlog. Look on that big body girl there past you. Jaja see, look the tights well look goody man. You think they sit down. When me over there, so when them have to look on the TV and a dream, eh? And get the oil them and the ear oil them and the lotion them pan shelf up this and work the finger muscle them, work them upside down side. Eh? No sir, and a life that day. And a life, but people, the real thing of the video is another does that. Zane, don't make them chicken, don't make them fool, you know. Which me not have bad mind about it, you know. Because them always have to say NEWLINK when they talk you truth, your bad mind. If me tell the people them the truth, how me for bad mind? My channel is to tell the people them the right and deal with people them the realest way. When me go tell them lies for? Eh? When me go tell them lies for? And I'm here the attacking boss. And me say trend around here so I make them follow, you know. So why should I tell my loyalty and my royalty viewers and subscribers one bag of lie and fakeness? No, a real thing the people them deal with. That's why them they here and that's why we think keep on growing and expanding. Some people, big up on yourself. You don't know, say one team, one gym, one scheme, one attacking boss. Thanks to the love, thanks to the support, the like, the share, and every comments. For all of my viewers and subscribers, them all around the world, the 14 corners, the 14 parishes, everywhere, my people. My love you know. I thank you for the support. I thank you for everything I want to do for the attacking boss. You understand? Because without one of my people, the attacking boss would not be here. I mean, appreciate every like, every share, every comment, the people. Remember again, one team, one dream, one scheme, one attacking boss. Stay safe, my people. Subscribe. Eh? As me say, them talk about dodos that my people. Me say, dodos, I must cross us. Peace out. I'm out.